So in this video we're going to discuss energy, specifically kinetic and potential energy. The formulas for kinetic energy is KE, is usually how it's represented, is equal to 1/2 times m, which is mass, times v, which is velocity, squared. The ways you can manipulate this would be to increase or decrease the mass and the velocity. This would most usually be seen by the speed increase, typically in something like a sprinter, for example, running faster because you're not likely to change your mass by anything significant. If you're already at a performing body weight, or you could increase the mass for your kinetic energy if you were doing some other kind of sport like that had significant weight changes, such as, I don't know, some type of fighting sport possibly where you had weight checks consistently, or being a bodybuilder or something, you might have consistent weight fluctuations, but generally mass will remain relatively consistent, and velocity is what you're going to change whenever it comes to potential or kinetic energy. Potential energy, that is going to be your PE is equal to m, which is your mass measured in kilograms, times g, which is the force of gravity. It's actually a constant, and it's 9.807 meters per second squared, I think, times the height that you're actually at. And this can just be manipulated based on your position because you're not actually moving. This is the energy that you have stored prior to any work that's being done. And it's generally going to be higher than the actual kinetic energy because some energy will be lost during the actual movement. So whenever you're moving kinetically, you're going to lose energy during that. And so your potential energy should theoretically be higher than your kinetic energy in most cases.